Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install MySQL database with MySQL Workbench in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google MySQL. We'll be having the official link from mysql.com. Click it, and here we are having the downloads option. Select this. If you just scroll down here, at the end we will be having this MySQL community GPL downloads. Click it, and here we are having MySQL installer for Windows. Select this, and here we are having the latest version, which is 8.0.44, and here we will be having two MSI installer, but one is for web community. So just select the second one that you see, click on download, and scroll down here. No thanks, just start my download, and the download will be getting started. It is about 550 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it. So here we will be getting the MySQL installer dialog box, and first it will ask us to select the setup type. For this, just click on custom so that we can install our MySQL Workbench also. So just click on next, and here we are having the products that we can select to be installed. So just click on this plus icon and click here too, and we are having the MySQL server 8.0.44. Select this and click on this right arrow mark. So that will be added to the list of products that are going to get installed. So now same thing, under applications, select the MySQL Workbench and the right arrow, and let's just add the MySQL shell also. Yep, these three are enough. And after this, just click on next, and here it will show these are the stuff that's going to get installed. Just click on execute, and we'll be getting the progress percentage over here. Just be patient. So once all the three are complete, just click on next and select next, and this is fine. Just leave it to the default options. Click on next, and this is also fine. Next. Here we need to enter a password, and make sure that you don't forget this, because every time we are going to start a connection we need this password. After the password, you can even try creating a user with the specific role of your choice. That's optional. Now click on next. These are fine. Just click on next here too, and select execute. Once everything is done, we will be getting this successful message. Just click on finish and click on next. That's it, the installation has been completed. By default, Workbench and the shell will open, so just click on finish. And that's it. Here we have got the MySQL shell. If you want to run any MySQL commands, you can try doing that. At this moment I will just close this, and here we are having the MySQL Workbench. So here we are already having a connection, so I'll just click it. So here we need to enter the password that we typed when installing. Okay, so I will just enter that and check this and click on OK, and that's it. We will be taken into the MySQL Workbench interface. So here we can run any MySQL command. So first let's go and create a database. So it's going to be create database. I'll just have it as new DB and run this. So here I'm getting a green mark, which means my database has been created. So now to check if this particular database has been created, we can just run the command show databases, and let me just select this and run. So here you can see we are having the new DB. All these other are the default databases available. So that's it. We have successfully installed MySQL Workbench along with the MySQL shell and the server. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.